If you are looking to delete your Uber ride history, then this video is for you. First, we need to check the Uber ride history. To do this, open the Uber app and tap on the Account tab. Then select Activity to view your past trips. Unfortunately, deleting your ride history directly on Uber is not currently possible through the app, as Uber retains trip records for safety and support purposes. However, you can choose to delete your entire Uber account, which will permanently erase your ride history after a 30-day period. To do this, go to Settings, then tap on Privacy. From there, select Delete your account and follow the on-screen steps to confirm. Remember, once your account is deleted, the action is permanent and cannot be reversed. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and don't forget to check the description for top products and awesome deals you wouldn't want to miss.